Hi friends, welcome back to Frosty Eye Candy. So I'm going to jump straight in and show you the dried and resin results of this baby. So there we go. We're going to go through in this video how you can get this nice depth and the shine and the shimmer to your pieces. And in this video we're also experimenting with an old white cell activator and with putting a cell activator down before our last colour. So cell activator, last colour, and then cell activator again. But how did I get to this one? Well, let me run through some colours with you. Starting up first, we've got this beautiful pigment from TLP. It's called Ballgown, and it's a gorgeous interference gold. You can see the light picking up there, it's just fantastic. So this is going to go down first. And then next, we're going to put down our favourite. At the moment, we've got lots of favourites, but the Rustoleum metallic accents. And this one is the gold mine. Here you go. So those two together are going to make a really beautiful, sparkly, shiny, blingy background to the colours, to the rest of the colours in our bloom. So the next colour we're going to put down is going to be this one. And this is watermelon. There we go, watermelon. And as you can see by the little label there, it's semi-transparent. So you're going to be able to see through this watermelon down below to the gold and through to the Ballgown. And it's just going to add a really nice little kind of pink golden hue to it. Next, we're going to put down this one. This is the golden high flow acrylics. And this one is the Dioxazine purple. As you can see, it is totally transparent by this little square. So you're going to be able to see through this and then through the watermelon down to these really lovely blingy bases at the back of the bloom. So after the Dioxazine purple, I'm going to put down the Prussian blue cell activator. Then we're going to put down a little bit of this. This is the Studio Acrylics, Iridescent blue violet, violet blue. Sorry, there we go. And this one I'm guessing is either an opaque or it's a semi-opaque, but it's going to be really nice for our old white cell activator to sit on and see how it actually works out. But we can see right now, here we go, it kind of gave us this lovely kind of mountainous kind of pattern here. I wouldn't say it actually warped or anything like that, but given for the test of CA, last colour CA, and then the fact that the white was rather an old CA, I just can't bring myself to throw things away. But anyway, we're going to zip it, we're going to get the camera pointing down, and we're going to get on with painting, okay? Okay then friends, first thing we can say is this is a 10-inch round canvas, and just because we can, we're going to go nice and close here for a close-up to see me laying these colours down and doing the bloom. So the first one we're putting down here, this is the lovely TOP, and this is Ballgown. It's their gorgeous interference gold, as you can see right there. And I'm putting this down first because, as you may know, or as you may not, but in my previous videos I've mentioned about adding depth to your blooms and to your pours and to your swipes. And one of the best ways of doing so is to put a highly pigmented metallic down or something shimmery and shiny that's going to be a great base for your other colours to sit on. So this next colour we're putting down is our favourite. It is Rustoleum Gold Mine in the metallic accents. Sorry, had to pause for a second there, just think. This is available in Canada in Home Depot. So that's our two lovely shimmery metallics going down first, guys. You can see that little bloop there. Not to worry, we'll get rid of that in the white pillow. Now this next lovely colour is another gorgeous TLP. This one's called Watermelon. It's this beautiful, gorgeous, as it suggests, watermelon colour, and it has a gorgeous, gorgeous gold shimmer to it. So this is now the golden high flow acrylic, the Diox purple. And now this one is the transparent, and so is the watermelon we just put on below is also transparent. These are the things to remember. And there we go with our Prussian blue cell activator. And now we're going to put down, this is the Pebeo Studio Acrylics, and this is the Iridescent Violet Blue. It's a lovely pink with a blue flash. And this one is semi-opaque, so you're getting the idea with the layering of the colours, guys. So we have some opaques and solid shimmery colours at the base, and then we have transparent colours on the top, leading with a semi-opaque here before the final cell activator, and we should get some interesting looking cells. So apologies for the back of my head, friends, while I blow this out. And putting the Prussian blue cell activator underneath the Pebeo was a test to see how it would actually come out, how it would work. And it seems to be working fairly well here. It's an interesting result. So I'm just blowing the edges of the bloom out, guys. I like doing this occasionally, just when I see there's some cells at the edge, and you can gently grab them with a blow and make them bigger. So this is the titanium white cell activator, as suggested in the title, the old cell activator, to see how it would actually work and react. Seems to be reacting and working fairly well, but the proof is always in the pudding after we do some spinning. While we're waiting for the cell activator to sink there and work, I'd love to mention our group on Facebook, Acrylic Pouring for Beginners. Please come along and join us. I'd love to give a big shout out to all of our wonderful jelly beans and our wonderful passengers on board what we affectionately refer to as the Acrylic Crazy Train. Thank you, all of you, nearly 30,000 now, it's crazy. So if you haven't liked and subscribed yet, friends, please do so. If you are wondering how to do so, you need to have an account with YouTube. It's really easy just to make a profile. All they want is your email address, and then you'll be able to like and comment on my videos, and you'll also be able to participate in my weekly show, Cy Frost's The Joy of Pouring, on a Sunday at 1 p.m. PST. And that'll be 4 p.m. EST and around about 10 p.m. for Europe, and 7 a.m. Monday morning for Australia. Please join me, Cy Frost's The Joy of Pouring. So you've just seen me do some nice little modifications to the edge here, guys. And that white cell activator has seemed to work pretty well. But again, we shall wait until we spin her. Wow, we've got some nice cells there already. Just moving the whole design over a little, making sure it moves as one. And we're going to go in for the first spin. Again, for all the beginners and all the new people to my videos and new subscribers to my channel, I love leaving my spins in real time so you can see how long and how fast I spin for. This is quite vital in the whole game of acrylic pouring. But wow, the design has grown quite nicely on the canvas here. And those modifications are looking great around the corner, at the edges. And the lacing we've got with that white cell activator seems to be a little on the warped side, or a little wonky, let's say, but we shall see the end result. Going in for the second spin. Wow. Okay, yep, I'm happy. That's not too bad at all. We've got some great cell coverage, and considering that the cell activator was fairly old and we were doing a test with a layer of the Prussian blue cell activator, then the Pebeo Studio Acrylic, then the white cell activator. Just checking for movement here, guys. Wow. Showing you some of the beautiful shimmers, and you see how we get that lovely depth because we used a metallic and the interference pigment, gold interference, on the first as a base. So here we go for a final look of her, guys. I'm very happy with this indeed. You saw the resin results at the beginning of the video, but thank you so much for joining me. Please like and subscribe, share if you like what you see here, and as always, happy pouring.